Hello! Today, we're diving into a critical thinking question that will help you prep for the selective school exam in NSW. Let's look at our statement. Whoever won the race must have been fast and well prepared. This suggests that being fast and well prepared are necessary conditions to win the race. Let's break down the answer choices to see which one is correct. Option A says, if Alex did not win the race, he could not have been well prepared. This is incorrect because being well prepared is necessary to win, but not winning doesn't mean a person wasn't well prepared. Other factors could have influenced the outcome. Option B claims, if Alex was fast and well prepared, he must have won the race. This is also incorrect. While these are necessary conditions to win, they aren't sufficient on their own because others could meet these criteria too. Option C states, if Alex was not well prepared, he cannot have won the race. This one is correct because being well prepared is a necessary condition for winning, according to our initial statement. Lastly, option D suggests, if Alex did not win the race, he cannot have been fast. This is incorrect for the same reason as A. Just because Alex didn't win doesn't mean he wasn't fast. So the correct answer is C, highlighting the importance of understanding the difference between necessary and sufficient conditions. Remember, mastering these concepts can give you a significant advantage in your exams. Keep practicing, and you'll get there.